Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change your server in Genshin Impact. You can only do it on mobile, you can't do it actually on PC. So what you need to do is like open the application, and when you're gonna open the application, you just need to wait until it loads, and I will show you how you can change it. Let's wait. And let's wait. And then you're gonna select Europe server here, and you can choose between America, or you can choose Asia, or you can choose these three islands there. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye.